This morning, we're just now getting out. It's about 1:30-ish, close to 2. We're heading to Rapid City. A good buddy of mine has a shop set up out there at the rally at exit 55, and we're going to swing by and see him, and then maybe grab some merchandise at Black Hills Harley. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna get you to sharpen my knives. And there looks like we may have to wait just a minute. Huh?
Walk around a little bit too.
Yeah, if you want to. Yeah, if you want to. And then after we leave it, we'll go. What we do is we'll go out here, take a left, and circle around into the big parking lot at Black Hills Harley. And that's where I want to. I don't know if they have anything out here. The jacket, because they got like a huge showroom with merchandise. Hopefully I can find me a jacket. What's up, man? What's happening? Good, how about you?
How much were they again?
They're 50 with the wood chips.
There, I'll hold that.
Is that you?
What's up, bud?
Oh, yeah, man. Good to see you, man.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, good to see you.
Yeah, let me bring him up.
Okay, okay. All right, I'm here with Donnie Bowman of Nile City Knives.
Hey guys, this is Nile City Knives. We're out of the former stockyard, so Nile City Knives was originally a part of Fort Worth. It was Stone City from 1911 to 1921. So we've been making our knives. We make all of our knives out of old files. So we take the old files and then convert them to knives, so it's already hardened steel. But what we're doing right now is we are making smoked old fashions. So what we do is we take ice, your favorite bourbon, add a little bit of simple syrup, and then we add a little bit of orange bitters. We take our smoke top. This is cherry wood, just a pinch, and then you light it on fire.
And you can wear it upside down.
I didn't know
So it's kind of you as to what you feel most comfortable with.
You let it set for about 10 seconds, and it infuses your bourbon with that
If you've
smoke
got your
flavor.
belt, you can try it on your belt.
Now you have a smoked old fashioned. If you go to a bar, they're like $20 for this drink. And we were like, not today, Satan. So we made our own whiskey smokers.
All right, let's try it. I'll have two.
All right, oh man. All right.
I think it tastes good. It might cure what ails me.
What's up, man?
Pretty good, yeah.
Yeah.
Tastes good.
This is made in San Antonio.
Oh, it is Devil's River.
Costco sells it. That's where we found it, but it's my day drinking whiskey. Allegedly.
Yeah, this is good.